Removing the propeller from your XTO offshore can be necessary for maintenance or upgrading. If you decide to remove and replace the prop yourself, please check with your local authorized Yamaha dealer to make sure you have all the parts and equipment you'll need. If at any point you feel like you're in over your head, please contact an authorized Yamaha dealer for assistance. As on all Yamaha outboards, it's important to select a propeller that will allow the engine to turn in the upper half of the engine's RPM operating range while at wide open throttle with the boat fully loaded. The RPM operating range for the XTO offshore is 5,000 to 6,000 RPM, which means more speed and power for when you're accelerating through the water. The propeller designed for the XTO offshore is larger and more robust than previous props. The power of the engine and the size of the prop requires larger and sturdier hardware. This is the prop that will get the job done anytime you're going out boating or deep sea fishing. Before installing props, make sure the correct propeller is matched to the correct engine. A left-hand gear case will have an L in front of the serial code underneath the anode, while a right-hand gear case will not. Begin by using Yamalube marine grease on the taper and installing the prop thrust washer. Then grease the splines and install the prop. Next, insert the spline washer over the prop shaft. Now install the flat washer and prop nut. Tighten and torque to specifications. Check to see if the cotter pin hole is aligned, and if not, tighten the nut until it is. Then slide the cotter pin into place and bend it to secure. If you have any questions, please contact an authorized Yamaha dealer. Thanks for watching and happy boating.